In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Chrome extensions. Whether you're looking to boost your productivity, customize your browsing experience, or just add some fun features to your web browser, Chrome extensions can be incredibly powerful tools. Let's dive right in and see how simple and straightforward the installation process really is. First, you'll want to open the Chrome Web Store. This is your one-stop shop for all Chrome extensions. To get there, open your Google Chrome browser, and in the address bar at the top, type in chromegoogle.com web store and hit enter. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself in the realm of countless extensions ready to be explored. After you've arrived at the Chrome Web Store, it's time to browse or search for the extension you want. If you already have an extension in mind, just type its name into the search bar located on the left-hand side. If you're just looking for some inspiration or want to explore, you can scroll through different categories like productivity, social media tools, or fun and games. This browsing process can help you discover new and exciting extensions that might enhance your web experience. Once you've found an extension that piques your interest, click on its page to see more details. This page provides a wealth of information, including a detailed description of what the extension does, user reviews, and sometimes even screenshots or videos. Take a moment to read through this information as it will help ensure that the extension meets your needs and expectations. Reviews are particularly helpful to gauge the experiences of other users. Now, if you've decided that this extension is for you, it's time to install it by clicking the Add to Chrome button. You'll find this prominent button at the top right of the extension page. Clicking it initiates the installation process right away. However, before you get too excited, you may encounter a pop-up asking for permission to access certain data. This is a critical step intended to ensure your privacy and security when using the extension. The pop-up will list exactly what data the extension needs to function properly. It's important to review this information carefully to make sure you're comfortable with the data access it requires. If everything looks good, click Add Extension to confirm your choice. And that's it. In a matter of moments, the extension will be installed and ready to use. You can typically manage and access your installed extensions by clicking the puzzle piece icon next to the address bar. This simple process unlocks a world of new functionalities and customizations for your browsing experience. Enjoy exploring and enhancing your time online with your new Chrome extensions.